Welcome back, guys. We are on chapter number 2, microorganisms, friends and foe. And in this video, we are going to cover disease-causing microorganisms, how they are getting an entry into us and how they are making us sick. Modes of spread of harmful microbes. They are generally taking 5 routes to enter into our body and to make us ill. First, through air. Second, through contaminated food and water. Third, through insects. Fourth, through direct contact. And fifth, through cuts and wounds. Now let's understand about these modes of spread with the help of examples. First, through air. When a person suffering from common cold or flu sneezes, coughs or spits, disease-causing microbes, they are released into the air. A healthy person breathing this air can get infected, and we have a long list of diseases which are spread through air. A common ones are common cold, flu, chickenpox, mumps, polio, tuberculosis, measles, COVID-19, etc. So this was about mode of spread of disease through air. Second route is through contaminated food and water. How our food and water is getting contaminated? Bacteria, they are known for the production of certain poisonous substances called as toxins. They are secreting that into water or food in which they are present. Certain algae, they also produce certain toxic materials. And if we are drinking that water, we will fall sick. Even parasites and viruses, they are contaminating our food and water in different ways. And all these harmful microbes, they are responsible for a variety of diseases in human beings like food poisoning, diarrhea, gastroenteritis, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis, polio. Third route is through direct contact. Through direct contact means through direct physical contact with the sick person. Like when you are down with viral, your mother takes care of you. और जब आप recover करने लगते हो, your mother falls sick. So that is direct contact. And some common examples of diseases which spread through direct contact are conjunctivitis or eye flu, polio. If you will look at this picture with 3 children with physical deformities, you will realize that yes, these do boon of zindagi ke are very important for all kids which are below 5 years of age. Next is rubella or German measles. It's a viral disease and it also spreads through direct contact. Fourth route is through insects. Insects, especially mosquitoes, houseflies and fleas, they act as carriers of disease-causing microbes or pathogens, and they are transmitting these pathogens from diseased or sick person to healthy person. Like female Anopheles, this is one mosquito, female Anopheles. It carries pathogens of malaria from sick person to healthy person. When it bites a healthy person, he or she gets infected with malaria. Houseflies, they also sit on dirt, disease-causing organisms. They stick to their body, especially hairs which are present in their jointed legs. And then when they sit on the food, they transfer those pathogens to the food. The person consuming this food may get sick. Third one is this mosquito, again a female mosquito which is called as Aedes. It acts as a carrier of dengue virus. So this is responsible for spread of dengue. And equally important route is through cuts and wounds. Through cuts and wounds also a number of opportunistic harmful microbes, they get an entry into our body and they make us sick, and they are responsible for a number of diseases. One such opportunistic harmful microscopic organism is Clostridium tetani, which is responsible for tetanus. It's a very painful disease. It leads to paralysis of muscles and it leads to stiffness So always remember, if you will get a deep bruise while playing in the ground or through some rusted iron article, you should go for injection of tetanus toxoid. It's must. So these are the 5 routes through which these harmful microbes or pathogens, they are getting an entry into our body and they are responsible for number of diseases in human beings. With this, I am signing out. Stay tuned to my channel and keep exploring about biology with me. Take care. Bye bye.